Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious dill pickles out of cucumbers. First, select about 2 pounds of fresh, firm pickling cucumbers, ideally 3 to 5 inches in length. Thoroughly wash them and trim off about 1/16 of an inch from both ends. This small step helps the pickling liquid penetrate better, ensuring a crispier pickle. Also, make sure your canning jars, lids, and bands are sparkling clean and sterilized, ready for use. Next, let's craft the heart of your pickles, the brine and spices. For classic dill pickle, you'll need about 4 cups of water, 4 cups of white vinegar, and 1/4 cup of pickling salt. Heat this mixture until the salt dissolves. Into each sterilized quart jar, place 1 to 2 fresh dill heads, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of pickling spice. A grape leaf or a 1/4 teaspoon of pickling crisp can also be added for extra crunch. Now it's time to pack your jars. Tightly arrange the prepared cucumbers vertically into each jar, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Carefully pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, ensuring they are fully submerged, again maintaining that 1/2 inch headspace. Wipe the jar rims clean, center the lids, and screw on the bands finger tight. Process the jars in a boiling water bath for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your altitude. After processing, carefully remove the hot jars from the water bath and place them on a towel to cool undisturbed for 24 hours. Once cooled, check that all lids have sealed properly. They should not flex when pressed. Store your sealed dill pickles in a cool, dark pantry for up to 1 year. For the best flavor, allow them to cure for at least 2 to 3 weeks before opening and enjoying your homemade, crunchy dill pickles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.